Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make apple orange cinnamon tea with fresh mint leaves. Hope you like it. Cinnamon powder is a powder made from peeled cinnamon branches and is mostly used in coffee, bread, cakes, and other baked products. Cinnamon has a delightfully aromatic, mild, sweet flavor and is a popular spice. Mint leaves help stimulate appetite and digestion, relieve stomach pain and headaches, and promote metabolism. Ingredients: cinnamon, mint leaves, apple, orange, black tea. Cinnamon can easily buy from grocery stores. I use 2 different brands for my black tea. Cook black tea and cinnamon for 2 minutes. Let's cut fruits while cooking tea. Peel and diced apple. Peel and cut orange into small pieces. Mint leaves wash and set aside. Add apple and oranges. Add mint leaves. Boil for 2 minutes. Optional to add honey or honeycomb sugar for sweetness. Serve while hot. Garnish with mint leaves. Cinnamon apple tea has the effect of weight loss, detoxification, and beauty. Many people have always recommended drinking green tea to lose weight. The catechins in green tea can achieve fat-burning effects, but did you know that there is something that is 1.5 times more effective in burning fat than green tea? The answer is fragrant cinnamon powder. In addition to being used as a spice to enhance flavor, it also has excellent fat-burning and edema-reducing effects. With homemade cinnamon water, 1 cup a day will make the annoying belly fat disappear. The reason why cinnamon can achieve weight loss is mainly because it contains nutrients such as calcium, iron, and manganese, which can also stimulate insulin secretion, increase metabolism, and increase fat-burning effect. In addition, there is a compound called the mineral chromium in cinnamon, which can make people feel full and reduce appetite after eating it. Eating less can naturally help lose weight. Finally, because cinnamon can be a diuretic, it also has a good effect on removing edema. Girls who are prone to edema must try it. Black tea contains vitamins, caffeine, amino acids, minerals, polysaccharides, tea polyphenols and other nutrients and functional ingredients. Studies have shown that black tea has the effect of assisting in lowering blood sugar, blood pressure and blood lipids. The tea pigments in black tea have antioxidant, anti-tumor, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, anti-mutation, antivirus and deodorizing effects. It can clear away heat and relieve symptoms. It is used for acute and chronic enteritis, dysentery, acute hepatitis, indigestion, aging and other diseases. Can I drink black tea every day? Black tea cannot be drunk for a long time. Although drinking tea is good for health and can help people clean the intestines, drinking it for a long time may cause some minor symptoms. Tea is different from food. Eating more can not only maintain body energy. The polyphenols in black tea can inhibit the activity of substances that destroy bone cells. It is recommended to take a small cup of black tea every day, which can improve osteoporosis, a common disease in women. The effect is obvious after several years of persistence. Black tea is especially suitable for the elderly, people with bad stomachs and hearts, insomniacs and women, especially women during menstruation, pregnancy and menopause. Under the combined effect of caffeine and aromatic substances in black tea, blood flow to the kidneys increases and urination is promoted. The polyphenol compounds in tea have anti-inflammatory effects, so it is beneficial for patients with bacterial dysentery and food poisoning to drink black tea. People also often use strong tea to apply on wounds, bed sores and athlete's foot. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.